Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air conditioning, cruise control, tinted windows, power steering, power windows, power door locks, leather shifter, steering wheel radio controls, passenger airbag and keyless entry. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.